let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Beauty Forever here once more. So I got a drawstring bag and the box. So obviously this is my first goodie, and this is always great for storage. A drawstring bag, always great for storage. So let's get into the package. All right, I'm seeing the wig first thing, but before we get into that, let's see what the goodies that we got. So I got this drawstring bag here with goodies, and then I got a pair of HD wig caps. So I got another pair of HD wig caps inside the bag, and then I got a branded elastic headband, and then lastly in the bag, ooh, I got a set of press-ons. I love this design. Cute. What? Yeah, shout out to Beauty Forever here. Let's go ahead and jump into today's wig. Wig that we have today from Beauty Forever here is this gorgeous body wave, 7x5 bye-bye knots, pre-everything body wave, pre-bleach invisible knots, pre-cut glueless wig. It's a long title, but it's a pre-everything wig basically, and it's very easy, very to the point to install, very much big enough friendly. So you guys know I'm all for those wigs, and I love how they did these beautiful curls on this. I won't usually, when you get your wigs with these curls, you don't have to go back in to curl it over, because these curls are just like, they're really tight and it's just so nice. The hair feels really soft, so I love that. It's a 1B color, as you can see, but as I said, this is a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace closure wig, and you know, this is basically one of those upgraded lace closure wigs, because you know, it's pre-everything. It's pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked. All right, the sizing alone is a big upgrade because you have a lot more space to work with than an average closure, you know. So that right there is a win-win situation. In the package, I also received these little tapes here, so if ever you feel like you want to secure parts of the lace but you don't want to use adhesive, you could use the tape for that. And I also got this extra adjustable elastic band, so this you can go ahead and apply on the inside of the cap, and this adds to security. These are the loops for it, and I'm gonna go ahead and add it. Also, there's a total, well, there's only one comb in this cap today, and it's in the back, and there's a non-slip strip. Also, there's adjustable straps in the back of the cap, which you can go ahead and adjust. I always like to crisscross these, and they really help with making the wig way more secure than normal. So that's something I always make sure I do. Immediately I can feel how snug this is. Let me give you a shake test. It's not going anywhere. It's not. So right away, this is how it looks. You can see a bit of a cast in some areas. So what I'm gonna do is get my powder, and I'm just gonna kind of just pat. I'm gonna camouflage those areas and help it to, you know, look more discreet, you know, just cancel out the cast. And then all I'm gonna do is kind of make the parting more precise and get my hot comb to lay it in the direction I want it to be. But it's so pretty so far. I absolutely love it.
Let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. This is hurting. Trying to make some simple change. Got me a war in my mind. Let go away. He was holding me to the right, but it will break up in front of
I'm just gonna run my hands through the wig, through the hair, and just kind of get that loose, big body wave vibe. And I must say the hair is really nice and full. It's not sparse at all. Did I mention it's 24 inches long? The density and all that good stuff will be listed in my description box, so please be sure to check out down below for the specs. Guys, this is so, like, it's not slipping at all. It's not going anywhere. Completely glueless. It's not going anywhere. Like, you don't have to worry. The only thing I feel like I want to do though is probably like some layers in the front right here, just like light layers to further like frame the front of my face. I might have to recurl this area. Let's see how it falls. Okay, so in the meantime, while I wait to get my curling iron heated up to recurl the front, I want to just show you guys that you really do have a lot of space working with for this closure. You could go ahead and give it a nice deep side part if you wish to switch it up from something else, you know, apart from just doing the center part. And you see how that looks like scalp? Yes, that's because it comes pre-bleached, comes pre-customized fully for you guys already, so you don't have to worry about doing any of that. And the quality overall is just really top tier, so I can't complain. I love it. Shout out to you, Beauty Forever here, because you get it. Okay, look at that. It's so pretty. Like, I'm just being extra. Like, you could go ahead and if you want a messy kind of, you know, don't care kind of vibe, you could rock it as is, but I really want to go in and kind of get things a little bit more precise.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away.
Yep, that's it. That's her. That's all. Yeah, Beauty Forever. Period. It is such a beauty. You know what? Yeah, no, it's a 10. This 7x5 bye knots glueless wig is a 10. From the density to the length, because I feel like this length, 24 inches, is just always like a very safe length. If you're a girl who's not into something that is, you don't want to rock something too long, but you don't want to do too short, I feel like 24 inches is just right there, you know? It's that comfortable, it's that comfort zone right there. It's really cute, very classy. Yeah. And then body wave just always set it off. Like, they did it. Like, it is not a lot of shedding with this wig. Can we talk about that? I'm getting nothing from it currently, so that's an amazing sign. I love that. And the wig hugs onto the head like a dream. It is very secure, it is very beginners friendly, and I highly recommend. Like, y'all did y'all thing on this. I can't complain. Like, it looks really good. It feels very top tier. I really and truly highly recommend. Guys, the direct link to this wig is in my description box. All the specifications are listed down below. Any deals, you know, discount codes, any of that, that will be listed down below if there's any available. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to Beauty Forever here once more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.